This time, Tai-kho will cook a local dish from Fukuoka, Kyushu, Japan, called gameni, also known as chikuzenni. Tai-kho will explain the historical background of this dish in the last part, so please watch this YouTube video until the end.
Oh, it's exciting.
The ingredients used in this dish are burdock root, carrot, konnyaku, and chicken with bones.
Peel and chop the carrot into large chunks. Cut daikon radish into slices like a ginko leaf shape. Peel and slice burdock root diagonally. Tear konnyaku into bite-sized pieces. Chicken is often used in gameni. This time I used chicken wings with the bone on. To make chicken wings easier to eat, cut the tendons around the bone and push the meat to one side to form a tulip shape as shown here. Spread the sesame oil on pan and grill the chicken from the skin side. Gameni is characterized by stewing the ingredients before steaming. After 5 to 7 minutes, turn the meat over. Add the vegetables and stir fry for about 10 minutes. Stewing time is about 40 minutes. Add water 300 ml, 2 tablespoons mirin, 2 tablespoons sake, 1 tablespoon soup stock, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons sugar. Place an otoshibuta, a lid on a pot, to ensure the stock spreads evenly. Some say that the name gameni was given to a dish made by Toyotomi Hideyoshi, adored as Tai-kho-san in Osaka prefecture, Japan. He went to war during the Battle of Bunroku in 1592, in which he stewed Suppon turtle, known as dobu-game, and other ingredients they had on hand. Nowadays, chicken is generally used instead of Suppon turtle, and gameni is also prepared as a New Year's dish. The gameni is ready to serve. Wow!
He will continue to make various dishes, so if you like, please subscribe to this YouTube. It is easier than you think and tastes excellent. I hope you will try making it.
Thank you very much for your watching.